Hello, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to fix Microsoft Store error encountered one of the update services is not running properly. So first you need to go to the search in the taskbar, type WS reset. After typing it, you can see the first option, click on that. After clicking on it, it will reset your store. I hope it solves your problem. If it doesn't, then go to the start button, go to settings. After going to settings, go for the Windows update. See if you have any Windows update like mine. As you can see, we are up to date. So it will also help you in running it properly. I hope this video helped you. If it does, then please like and share this video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.